Drinking margaritas, sitting in the sun, counting up my worries, can't think of one. How'd I get so lucky? Lucky me. I'm a man of simple pleasures. I've got everything I need. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't wait for the weekend to have a good time. Don't need permission to let myself unwind. How'd I get so lucky? Lucky me. I'm a man of simple pleasures. I've got everything I need. I don't need a fancy car. I'll take my bike around town. I'll take a
army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time.
much obliged for such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song, I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on, I found the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spreading rumors. The time has come to be gone. And though our health we drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on. How years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air, 'twas in the darkest depths of Mordor I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped